RHY may be evaluating us from the school. Let's just hope that it's true. I don't want to be in the same group as Sam, but I don't know why, but he's been acting very weird. Today in science, he was getting quite angry and aggressive when Twilight was performing a demo, and it was just like he didn't want anything to do with what we were doing. He refused to go near any of the chemicals, and started lashing out at ponies who tried to help him, even when they were harmless. But even putting him near water caused him to react. He was taken out by his friends to calm down, but in the mask of this outbreak, I think he may be infected. I saw something in his eyes which just wasn't normal. It was different from the signs they had read. What the hell is going on? Script 2. The church was overrun with those creatures, while the students escaped the area with that fucking freak. But now I have heard the students are back, which is perfect for the saving of our group. Don't believe what they're telling you. Those students will save us. They are not turning, but that doesn't mean they're safe. It's mutating, feeding on their system, turning them into something. God, I can't even imagine it. They must not reach the school. The exposure in there, well, let's just take the infected. Will not be the least of our worries. I must kill them now.